For problem number 1, we are asked to create a program that will display the word computer 5 times using for loop. And the output of the program should be exactly like this when you display it on the browser. So this is the JavaScript program for that. Okay. So we have here counter is equal to 0. That is the initialization. Then you have the condition to be tested and the incrementation so that this condition will be reached. And of course, the code that will be executed every time the condition is true. So how does it work in JavaScript? The first is to initialize the value of counter to 0. This will be our loop counter variable. This will count how many times the loop have been created. The next is to compare. If the condition or if counter is less than 5, then the computer will execute this code, which is to display the word computer. And notice that it has a BR tag so that the next time it displays the word computer, it will go to the next line. Then the value of counter will be incremented by 1 so that this condition will be reached. Then compare again. Is counter or is the value of counter less than 5? Then again, the computer will execute this code. And then increment again the value of the counter. And this process from here to here will continue while the condition holds true. And this part, the initialization will be only executed once. So that's how the JavaScript code works here. Let us do program simulation of the JavaScript code that we have created for the problem a while ago. So we have here counter is equal to 0. And that's the initial value of the counter. Then we compare. Is counter less than 5? True. So therefore, this block of statement will be executed, which is to display the word computer. And notice it has BR so that the next time it will display the word computer, it will go to the next line. Then do the incrementation. Counter is equal to counter plus 1, so we can reach this condition. So plus 1 of the current value of counter, this becomes 1. Then compare again. Is 1 less than 5? True. So therefore, execute this statement. Display the word computer. Plus 1 to the current value of counter, this becomes 2. Then compare. Is 2 less than 5? True. So therefore, display the word computer. Increment, so plus 1, this becomes now 3. And then compare. Is 3 less than 5? True. So therefore, display the word computer. And then increment, so this becomes now 4. And compare. Is 4 less than 5? True. So therefore, display the word computer. Okay. And then increment, so plus 1, this becomes 5. And then compare. Is 5 less than 5? False, because they are equal. And then the program will already terminate, and you have displayed already the word computer 5 times vertically.